Keble Pibaro, Tekanide ka MTET Guidebook 2026, Kadai Jongka Paper 1. Tehakani ka video nginya pe yaki jinkali by day but ka set 2. Tekane Child Development and Pedagogy 1 ka 1 ngamut paper 1 set 2 jinkali banangkong ni under the RPWD Act 2016. Certain provisions like reservations in higher education not less than 5% apply to persons with benchmark disability. What is the definition of a benchmark disability? Answer kadai ka C. A person with not less than 40% of a specified disability as certified by a medical authority. Number 2, a student who demonstrates a high degree of general intellectual ability, learns rapidly, uses an advanced vocabulary, and thinks abstractly is best described as. Answer D, gifted. Number 3, which of the following best describes a slow learner? Answer kadai C, a student who learns at a pace below average but does not have an intellectual disability, often requiring more time and concrete examples. 4. A student has a very high IQ score but consistently gets poor grades, does not complete assignments, and appears disengaged in class. This student would be classified as. D, underachiever. Number 5, the most significant barrier to creating a truly inclusive classroom is often. C, the negative attitudes and stereotypes of teachers, staff, and peers. 6. The factors affecting learning are broadly categorized. Which of the following would be considered a learner-related factor? Answer A, the student's motivation and readiness. Number 7, which of the following is primarily a teacher-related factor that affects learning? Answer B, the teacher's mastery of the subject matter and pedagogical skills. 8. Of the following, which is considered the most powerful and sustainable type of motivation for long-term learning? Answer C, intrinsic motivation, driven by curiosity and a genuine interest in the subject. Number 9, a kinesthetic learner is most likely to succeed in a lesson when they are able to. Answer D, participate in hands-on activity, experiment, or role play. 10. Which of the following characteristics is most associated with an auditory learner? Answer D, excelling in group discussions and remembering information they have heard or spoken. Number 11. A teacher wants to encourage her students to learn through exploration. Which of the following classroom environments would be most effective? Answer B, a classroom with a variety of easily accessible hands-on materials, learning centers, and flexible seating. 12. Inquiry-based learning is a pedagogical approach that begins with Answer B, a question, problem, or observation that sparks curiosity. 13. The young child learns to say please and thank you by watching and imitating their parents. This is a classic example of which learning process? Answer B, observational learning. Number 14. During a lesson, the teacher moves around the room, changes his or her tone and volume of voice, uses gestures, and switches between a short lecture, a group activity, and a quick video clip. This intentional changing of the learning mode is an example of which teaching skill? Answer A, skill of stimulus variation. 15. A teacher is writing specific measurable learning objectives and selecting appropriate teaching aids and resources for an upcoming lesson. Which stage of the lesson planning process is the teacher in? Answer A, pre-teaching or pre-active stage. 16. A teacher who rigidly follows the lesson plan created in the pre-teaching stage, even when the students are clearly not understanding the content, is failing to effectively manage which stage? Answer C, the transaction stage, because they are not being responsive and flexible to the students' real-time needs. 17. In a classroom where the teacher acts as a primary source of knowledge and students are expected to passively receive and memorize information, which teaching approach is being used? Answer D, teacher-centered approach. 18. According to constructivist theory, particularly the work of Piaget and Vygotsky, the role of the teacher is best described as Answer B, facilitator or guide on the side who creates an environment for discovery. 19. What is the fundamental principle of a learner-centered approach? Answer C, instruction is adapted to meet the individual needs, interests, and abilities of the students. Number 20. Which of the following classrooms activities is least likely to be found in a constructivist classroom? Answer D, a drill and practice session where students recite multiplication tables in unison. 21. Lev Vygotsky's concept of the zone of proximal development (ZPD) is central to social constructivism. It suggests that learning is most effective when Answer C, students work on tasks that are too difficult for them to do alone, but are achievable with guidance from a teacher or more capable peer. 22. A student teacher who thinks critically about a classroom incident after it has occurred, analyzing what went well, what went wrong, and what could be done differently next time is engaging in. Answer B, reflection on action. 23. The primary purpose of a school teaching internship is to B. Bridge the gap between educational theory and real-world classroom practice under supervision. 24. Which of the following is considered a key tool for facilitating systematic reflective practice during an internship? B. A reflective journal or diary. 25. In the context of an internship, the relationship between a mentor-teacher and a student-teacher is most effective when the mentor acts as Answer B, a co-inquirer and supportive guide who facilitates reflection rather than just giving answers. 26. A teacher administers a test at the very beginning of a new unit to gauge students' prior knowledge and identify potential misconceptions. This type of assessment is best described as C. Diagnostic. 27. Which of the following statement best describes assessment of learning? Answer C. It is a process used to certify competence and report on a student's level of achievement at the end of a period of learning. Kani assessment of learning kaya serimbat ka summative assessment. 28. The primary difference between formative assessment, assessment for learning, and summative assessment, assessment of learning is Answer B, the timing and purpose. Formative is ongoing and aims to improve learning, while summative is at the end and aims to judge learning. 29. Which of the following is a primary characteristic of a school-based assessment (SBA)? Answer C. It is designed, administered, and evaluated by teachers within the school as an integral part of the teaching-learning process. 30. A teacher provides students with a detailed scoring guide before they begin a project. This guide breaks down the assignment into criteria like content accuracy, creativity, and presentation, and describes what is expected for each level of performance. Example, excellent, good, needs improvement. This tool is called a Answer kadai ka C rubric. Next kani ka language to English. 31. How many language skills are there? Answer D. 4. Listening, speaking, reading, writing skills. 32. The two language skills that are acquired without any formal instructions are A. Listening and speaking. 33. What are the most significant skills that a teacher should develop at the early childhood? C. Listening and speaking skills. 34. Oral language skills are C. Listening and speaking. 35. Children learn many things by listening and E. Respond to question. 36. When a children or learners are introduced to letters alphabet, they learn how to B. Identify symbols. 37. When letters are introduced along with the sounds associated with each of them, it says that B. They learn how to pronounce the letter. 38. If a word is written on the board and the children can pronounce it, it shows that they have Answer D. Comprehend the sounds in a word. 39. To improve the learner's speaking ability, a teacher can use C. Storytelling. 40. To enhance or develop the children's imagination, a teacher needs to use A. Storytelling. 41. The learners understand about presentation, use words with correct pronunciation, and use appropriate tone in speeches according to the situation. This art is called Answer B. Elocution. 42. Poetry recitation helps children to become A. Confident speaker. 43. Introduction to shapes and figures, big and small, help the learners to be ready for C. Reading. 44. The goal of reading at an early stage is to convey message of the D. Printed words in the text. 45. Independent reading allows learners to be Answer A. Responsible in choosing reading materials. 46. A teacher should guide the learners or to read newspaper as it will help them A. To understand it as a source of information. 47. If the learners are able to associate word with picture, it shows that they identify the picture with the B. Pronunciation. 48. Good handwriting is developed when a teacher instills Answer C. Favorable attitude among the children. 49. Story writing is a form of D. Creative writing. 50. Creative thinking skill can be developed through A. Poster making. 51. Children are engaged with an important topic to help them in writing. Answer D. Slogans. 52. Learners can write a report on a cleaning drive conducted by the school so that it helps them to A. Enhance their writing skill. 53. A collective noun denotes B. One individual whole. 54. Analysis of textbook makes the teacher aware of about the answer D. Relevancy and updated information in the book. 55. Formative assessment refers to A. Regular assessment. 56. Bellowing means answer A. Loud noise. 57. Topsy-turvy refers to answer C. Upside down. 58. You need to look at it carefully means to B. Examine. 59. He is a chatterer. Answer A. Someone who talks a lot. 60. To descend means to answer D. Climb down. The next kaniga maths là đẹp ai. Nang ta kaniga EVS ru set tu là đẹp ai ka video là đẹp upload. Next point sha kaniga Khasi 121 spar huay don kanutli ki sawa wuwel bajanai ha ka ktien Khasi. Kajubab kadai khadway tali. Shispa ar ying kanton katheu ya karkom ying. Chubab kadai kasi kumbayeng ki khunlung ki basngai. Shispa ar lai ki ong nesin usim song ya u ni kabriu ki ba. Jubab kadai ka bi kren sbun kren hok na do ka dok nut. Shispa ar sao ka ba ai dictation ka panroy haki khna ya ki subject bit ban. Jubab kadai ka di shashkor penle jengmut kren pule batho. Shispar san kinong hikai haba ki penkre ya ki tiar yaram. Hikai ki dai ban penun kam ya ki tiar ki baki. Jubab kadai bi suk ban yo halak jong chaka. Kajing tha pule ya kani kajing tho harum bat sa jubab ya kajing kli ki babot. Kajaj ben riu kadai ka kanhun ukhon ben riu kabami na kaju katanrai ne kaju katmei long ying. Long do long snam kajing nang yar ki long ying long sem ki ba na kaju katmei long riu kapansan ya ki suki pasuki ban long kajaj ben riu. Kumta ngi shem baki briu ki badai na kaju kaktien kathli ki don kaju kadai ti kiju ki dustur kiriti kanyam karukom kaju karukom perkhat bat karukom im bat kumta ter kajaj ben riu kasyong kasa ha kajaka batikna bakarpang bat kamtrai bat kakamtrai ya kata kajaka bakasyong kasa kum kanong kanti lajong kumta ya kari jong kanu kajaj ben riu lakhot kerteng bat tip ya ka daga kerteng jong kata kajaj ben riu ya wei pa wei lakha ha kajaj ben riu bat kata kajaj ben riu nakaba uhier long briu kadai kadok snam bat kajaj ka kanja jong uhi hakaba im usyong lang hakaju kari namar kata wei pa wei udon ka kamram kabakhya yala kajong kari bat kajaj ben riu jong u kumba galong yala dehi mangi ki khasi hakaju kurkom idon ka kamram kabakhya nagbenta kari bat kajaj ben riu jongi ka kamram bat ka jingkit kli jong wei pa wei nangi yala ka jaj ban riu bat ka Mary lung ka Mary san kam champer AA ru em na ka kamram ka jingkit kli ka pangidon nag benta yala di bat yala ka ying ka sem klem kari bat ka jaj ban riu ka long renjeng bat ka long ban riu ba shimet jungi ka long le no kam don dor bat ka kut no ha ka hau kum ujung thung ba klem ka tenrai bat klem kitmir ka long peteng jingkli spar pun riu ka phang pedeng jong kani jong ka jingtho ka long halor Chuba kadai ka bi ka kamram jongi yala ka ri bat ka jaj ben riu. Shispar nyau ka jingnang yar ki long ying long sem ki banang ka jo ka thmei long briu ka pansan ya ki suki pasuki ban long. Chubab kadai ka bi ka long do long snam. Shispar praha ka ne ka jingtho don ka no tli ki ktien ka no. Tak tu jingtho dangi check ktien ka no. Kindon kumba lai tali chpab I lai shispar pandai ha ka ni ka jingtho nong kan ti ka mudday kejubab ka si ka jaka balayo pateng nau kupa menta pul jingtha pule ya ka ni ka poyom harum bat sa jubab ki jingkeli ki babot hapo sangam saja marwe baker ka beniap ka sia kan re halor ka lum rai dam hapdeng ka mau kho ru kho ram hangta uying umau bena klem jing salia klem jing lang a ban kit ka nam ulong shua we priu u abu yeng phla chispas lai pheu sangam ka theu yak ja ka klau ba chubab ka dei ka bi paja bi paja sam chispa lai phuwe hakani ka poyom ka ktien beniap jubab ka dei ka ka klau babon plang Chispa lai phu ar mau bena ka mut mau bala thung jubab ka dei ka ban sa kan mau Chispa lai phu lai ka phang pedeng jong ka ni ka poem ka long phang ka bi ka jing yeng rang ba umau bena Chispa lai sao ka sap jing tibit ki ba ki khana ki nang nong kong ka dei jubab ka long ka di ka sap snap Chispa lai phu san ka jing sdang ban nang ya ka ktien ka long lang ba ka jing snap thu ya ki jubab ka dei ka bi sawa bat ki kantin Chispa lai phan riu ka bahikai poyom ya ki khana ka yarap ban penroi pensan ya jubab ka dei ka di ka sap snap bat ka sap kren Chispa lai punyau kanu na kini harum ka badai ka kendon balai bala penun kam ha ka sap snap jubab ka dei ka ne ka bi pediang ya ki jing kren Chispa lai phu pra kanu na kini ki kerdan harum utheu jing tip ya ki jing tip bau yo sngew nau nong kren ka jubab ka dei ka di kan mau Chispa lai khandai ka sap jing tibit ki bau khana unang baar kadai sebab kadai ka I kasap kren sispa sau peu kanu na kini kisur kren harum ka bapen I bau nong kren ulong baklan ya kijingmut jemperkan sebab kadai ka si kasur kren bakia bat suki sispa sau puwei kanu na kini kijingkam harum ka ba khamyarap yaw khna ban kren dak ba pen kam ya kijingmut dur lajong sebab kadai kadi pha baun ya thu khana spa sa puar ka jingnang ban kren ya ktien ka syong ha ka jingnang ban penun kam ya ki sebab kadai ka I senten sispa sa pulai ka jing thmu bakong san jong ka jing puli jam nak benta ki khna ki ba puli hak kedan primary kalong ban sebab kadai ka si penla ya ki khna ban keno bej ya ki kantin sispa sau kanu na kini kurukom le harum ka ba klem ya hap bat ka puli jar jar sebab kadai ka I ban penki sentur sispa sabsan kanu na kini harum ka baju shim kum ka jing melin ka babakla ha ka por ba puli jar jar sebab kadai ka si kadeu da ki shim priakti sispa sau panriu kanu na kini kisap jing tibit harum ba ka jing puli jam ka kham penlei jing mut bha sebab kadai ka bi ka sngap bat kren sispa sau hinyau kanu na kini kisap jing tibit ha ktin ka ba salon sar ki briu ki kham shem jing banang sebab kadai ka si kasap ban tho sispa sau pra kanu na kini ki jingkam harum ka badai kanuksa jong ka guided writing sebab kadai ka si ka bi tho dictation sispa sau khandai kumnu no hikai unla ban panyo ya ka sap tho ha ki khna sebab kadi ban yaro ha ba ki le bha bat ai ki jingkan tho ki ba la ban te sispa san pheu kanu na kini ki rukom le harum ka ba bha ban panun kam ha ba hikai tho I khna rit ki badang shud sedang ban late school sebab kadai ka bi ban pruit madai mata bat draw